In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset color settings in Windows 10. If your screen suddenly looks too yellow, too blue, washed out, or just off, it's very likely that some color settings have been changed, either by an app, a calibration tool, or even by accident. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get things back to normal using the built-in tools in Windows 10 without installing any extra software. First, we're going to open the main place where most display-related settings live, the Settings app. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter I together. That will open the Windows Settings window. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also click the Start button. Then click the little gear icon for Settings. Once Settings is open, click on System. This is where Windows groups options for your display, sound, notifications, and power. On the left-hand side, make sure you're in the Display section. If you're on a laptop or have multiple monitors, you may see more than one display here. Select the screen you want to fix if you have more than one. Now, scroll down a bit until you see options like Brightness and Color. Here you'll find a setting called Night Light. Night Light adds a warm, yellowish tint to your display to reduce blue light, which can be helpful at night but can also make colors look wrong during the day. If your screen looks too warm or orange, check whether Night Light is turned on. If it is, and you don't want that effect, go ahead and turn it off. If you like using Night Light but think it's too strong, you can click on Night Light settings and drag the strength slider down to a lower level. Next, we'll look at Advanced Color and Calibration settings. In the Display section, scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Then look for a link that says Display Adapter Properties for Display 1, or for whichever display you're adjusting. In the new window that opens, go to the Color Management tab. Then click the Color Management button. In the Color Management window, make sure the correct display is selected at the top. Then, check the box that says Use my settings for this device. If you see any custom color profiles listed in the box below, those could be causing unusual color behavior. To reset to the default, you can select each profile and click Remove. Don't worry, Windows will fall back to its standard color profile, which is fine for most users. From here, you can also click the Advanced tab and use the option to reset default color settings if it's available. This restores the standard color behavior that Windows expects, which is often enough to fix odd tints or contrast issues. After you've made these changes, click Apply. Then OK, and close any windows you opened. Take a moment to look at your desktop, photos, or a web page with familiar colors and see if things look more natural now. If they do, you've successfully reset your color settings in Windows 10.